Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we are going over the Yourai token. Now the Yourai token is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Yourai token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is, the name of the token, first of all, is Your Space AI. And then the ticker symbol is Yourai, all one word. And it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting exactly March 19th at 8 a.m. UTC time on a central exchange called Gate. So we're going to go over a couple different ways to get this token because Gate is not available in everyone's country. So for people who can't use Gate, we'll go over a different way as well. So if you can use Gate, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store or get it on your PC at gate.io. Then open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then you would go into the trade section on March 19th after 8 a.m. and then simply just buy the token after you search the ticker symbol Yourai. This is an ERC20 token. You can find them on Etherscan. And so for people who cannot use Gate, around the same time it does get listed on Gate, this token will most likely be listed on Uniswap as well. So you can get it later on by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with ETH, and then going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your ETH for the Yourai token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, your.io/token. So it says it says it's coming soon to Uniswap, and it looks like it's going to be cross-chain as well on the Solana blockchain, and it'll be going to Radium as well, it says on their webpage. So 2 different ways you'll be able to get the token depending on which chain you want to use. So you can follow the same steps except fund your Phantom wallet, Soulflare wallet, whatever wallet you use for Sol, fund it with Sol, go into the dApps, find Radium. Then using the Sol contract address, you can get the token as well. So the future of AI-driven e-commerce, your protocol, the world's first AI-driven content layer for e-commerce built on Bitcoin and Solana. So they've been featured in Cointelegraph, Decrypt, and Cryptopolian, backed by a whole bunch of different partners on there. We don't need to go over all that. Their vision is to disrupt e-commerce with our AI-driven content layer. Introducing Your, a revolutionary Web3 protocol for the booming $8.8 trillion e-commerce market by 2026. Brands such as Apple and Samsung struggle with content control and accuracy online. Your empowers them with full control, ownership, and transparency by giving e-commerce shops access to stream AI-driven personalized product content. We not only enhance the shopping experience, but also significantly increase conversion rates. So the product streaming and creation dApps celebrates our 1-year milestone with 3 revolutionary protocol apps, a robust software development kit, SDK, and a Shopify app designed to empower every shop globally in streaming AI-driven product content effortlessly. Furthermore, our content editor app is fully operational, actively utilized by over 25,000 creators to curate and create user-generated content. As proud members of the Google Startup Program, we've secured a grant for Google Cloud. Join us for the Year of Innovation and Success. They have a Shopify application partnership with Shopify to seamlessly stream AI-driven product content for websites, effortlessly personalizing the user experience. Code integration. Implement our SDK for AI-driven product content, ensuring compatibility across leading global platforms such as Salesforce. And creation application. Our content editor app has over 25,000 active creators creating a foundation for your AI Picasso. Your protocol, world's first AI content layer for e-commerce. So there's BRC20 tokenization of content assets, AI-driven personalized product content, smart reward mechanism for protocol contributors. So the tokenomics here, I already mentioned it's on the Ethereum and the Solana blockchain, but how the token is split up, we got 6% going to pre-seed, 12% seed, 1.8% private sale, 6.7% KOL, 1.5% public sale, 15% team, 5% advisors, 30% network, 13% reserves, 5% marketing, and 4% liquidity. Token utility is sharing the company's success with holders. So the Your token utilizes a smart reward buyback and staking mechanism to support the value of your tokens and share the company's success with holders. You can earn your tokens for being a content creator, curator, a node, developer. They contribute to grow and maintain the protocol, and they get rewarded in your tokens. There's also a continuous buyback cycle. Content distribution apps buy your tokens and stream content, plus content creation dApps buy your tokens to store and control content. And there is holding benefits, so protocol users must stake your tokens for content features access and will earn annual percentage yield for long-term staking. It says they have a battle-tested smart contract. You can read the audit report. Pretty lengthy roadmap. Core teams doxed on their page. Advisors. Frequently asked questions are on here. You can subscribe to a newsletter. And so yeah, they're going to Gate, Uniswap, and Radium. You can create to earn and stake to earn. They have a Medium, Telegram, Twitter, and Discord. And you can find all those at your.io/token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.